I really want to talk about something that I bet you have not attended a leadership conference and heard this subject matter that we're going to talk about today. The Titanic, we all know the story. Above the surface, it was a technological marvel. In fact, they said that it could never be sunk. And yet, we know it sunk. And we also know why it sunk. It wasn't because of anything that was going on above the surface. It was because they did not take into account what could happen under the surface. And one of the things at InitiativeOne that we talk about a lot, while we deal with skills, we can provide those skills. We can teach you how to set goals. We can provide for you knowledge based upon research-based facts that are about cutting-edge leadership methodologies today. But all that is what we call above the table. I know there are very few leadership development organizations that focuses on the other side that we talk about, and that's the under the surface or under the table. And what we know is this: most leaders and team leaders and organizational leaders, they put a huge emphasis upon what is above the table. What are our goals? What are our strategies? Where are we measuring ourselves against our strategic planning? How are we doing in developing our people and giving them the knowledge that they can excel in the technical craft that organization is about? And all of those things are important. But we know this: if you ignore the undersurface issues in your leadership, it can sink you.